Good morning, children. Welcome to 6th standard social class. Students, I hope all are safe at home by God's grace. Students, last two classes we have studied about land. We have studied about land. In this class, we are going to continue the same lesson. We are going to study about oceans. We are going to study about oceans. The earth looks blue when we see it from space. When we see from the space, the earth looks blue color. This is because two-thirds of it is covered by water. Why the earth looks blue color, children? Because of two-thirds of it is covered by water. That means mostly the earth is covered by water only. The water is found in oceans and seas. The water is found in two places where oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expanse of water. Oceans means oceans are vast. Vast means big, large, huge. Okay. So oceans are vast expanse of water. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. Seas means water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. As you have studied previously, there are five main oceans in the world. Already we studied. There are five main oceans in the world. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. And Arctic Ocean. See the picture, children. Blue color, no? Blue color is the Pacific Ocean. They mentioned they differentiate blue color, that is Pacific Ocean. It covers 47 percentage. 47 percentage. So this is the largest ocean. Second one, red color. Red color or orange color, we can say orange color also. Say Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean covers 23 percentage. Atlantic Ocean covers 23 percentage. Next one, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, the green color, no, they colored green color, that is Indian Ocean. It covers 20 percentage. It covers 20 percentage. Next, fourth one, violet color, purple color, Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean, it covers 6 percentage. It covers 6 percentage. Last one, light blue color. Light blue color, Arctic Ocean. It covers only 4 percentage. It covers only 4 percentage. Okay, children. Now you have to understand which is the largest ocean. Yes, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean because it covers 47 percentage. Which is the smallest ocean? Which is the smallest ocean, children? Yes, Arctic Ocean. Light blue color, no? Arctic Ocean. It covers only 4 percentage. It covers only 4 percentage. So now you can understand very clearly. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. The remaining three in between. Okay. So area of oceans. This is called area of oceans. Now we can see one by one. Now we can see one by one. First one, the Pacific Ocean. First one, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It's very large and very deep also, children. Okay, largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about one third of the earth total areas. It covers about one third, 1 by 3, one third of the earth's total area, and and spreads and spreads spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometer. The Pacific Ocean spread, it covers how many kilometers? 168.72 million square kilometers. Okay. It is bounded by Asia and Australia. It is bounded by Asia and Australia. It is bounded by Asia. Where is Asia? Here. Asia and Australia. In which direction? West direction. Asia and Australia in west direction. And North America and South America in east direction. In east direction. Okay. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. So they mentioned where the Pacific Ocean is situated. Where the Pacific Ocean is situated. Okay. Next one, we are going to study about deeply the Pacific Ocean. Okay. This ocean is Pacific Ocean. Shape is roughly triangular. They mentioned roughly, not correctly, roughly triangular, roughly triangular, with its apex in the north at the Bering Strait, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. With the Arctic Ocean, the Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea, and the Philippine Sea are some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. What are the seas, children? The Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea, and the Philippine Sea are some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Marginal seas means corner. Corner. These are all seas present in the corner of the Pacific Ocean. Okay, Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. So there are so many islands also present in Pacific Ocean. What are the islands present? Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. Okay, the deepest point, Mariana Trench, the deepest point, Mariana Trench is 10,994 meter. 10,994 meter is located in the Pacific Ocean. Is located in the Pacific Ocean. A chain of volcanoes. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean. A chain of means continuously. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ring of Fire. Okay. Next one, children. Next one. The Atlantic Ocean. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. How many percentage, children? The Atlantic Ocean, 23 percentage. Atlantic Ocean already we studied, no? Atlantic Ocean covers 23 percentage. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers one-sixth of the earth total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometer. The Atlantic Ocean covers one sixth of the earth total area. Earth total area, the Atlantic Ocean covers and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometer. It is bounded by North America. It is bounded by Atlantic Ocean, bounded by North America and South America in the west side. In the west side, and Europe, Africa in the east side. In the east side. There are four places, four continents. What are the four continents is surrounded? North America, South America, Europe and Africa, surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Like the Pacific, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. The Atlantic Ocean shape resembles S. Not particular, not correctly, is a resembles. Okay. So, the shape of the Atlantic Ocean is S. The Strait Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. With the Mediterranean Sea. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemisphere. Busy means always the ship going and coming. Okay. So, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and the western hemisphere. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Urethra Trench. It has a depth of about 8,600 meters. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Gulf of Guinea, and the Mediterranean Sea are the important marginal seas of the Atlantic Oceans. Saint Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, and Falkland are some of the islands found in this ocean. So many islands also present in the Atlantic Ocean. Next one, the Indian Ocean. Next one, third one, the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean covers how many percentage, children? Indian Ocean covers 20 percentage. Indian Ocean covers 20 percentage. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. Third largest ocean on the earth surface. On the earth surface, it covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. The Indian Ocean covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. It is named after India. Children, why the ocean is called as Indian Ocean? Because of India. It is named after India because this ocean is covered in India. So it is called Indian Ocean. It is triangular in shape. The Indian Ocean Shape is triangular shape. Triangular triangular shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. See, children, it is triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west direction, Asia in the north direction, and Australia in the east direction. Okay, east direction. Thank you, children.